Hello and welcome. So today I'm doing a tour of our hotel room at the Don Carlos Resort in Marbella, Spain. Our room is a ocean view room. I'll put what our room is just like down here. I just need to look it up. It's just like a basic room but with an ocean view, and we requested to have a king size bed as opposed to two twin beds. Which basically every room we've stayed in Spain, we've had to request to have a king bed instead of two twin beds, but I think that's just like a thing here. When you come in, you put your key in there and the lights are right here. And to the right, we have a closet with laundry bag, shoehorn, just some random stuff, and a bunch of shelves. If you were staying here for a long time, you could really unpack. We have not put anything in any of these. We were only here for 4 nights. So we didn't need to use all that. And then in here is a iron and ironing board. This is actually the first hotel we've stayed at in Spain that had an ironing board, which is nice. And hangers, and there's like a cool light on this so that when you open it, it lights up. And yeah, we did keep a suitcase in there for a while, but it's now out. And then over here is the bathroom. It's just a sliding door, so it's not a door that you can like actually lock. Don't mind how messy it is. All right, this is the toilet, and this is actually the first hotel we've stayed in Spain that has a bidet. I was really excited about it. I haven't actually used it. I was really excited about it, but I actually don't really use it. But yeah, that's the bidet section, and this is the toilet. And then there was robes, towels and whatnot. And then this is the shower. Every hotel we stay in Spain, this is like, there's no shower door or shower curtain. So I don't really understand it because there's like half a glass and the water gets all over the floor. That's why we have a giant towel on here. So I'm not really sure what's up with that, but yeah. And then we got a bunch of like, comes with the body lotions, and this is body wash and shampoo and conditioner. And then the shower head is right there, and you can actually like take it off of the thing. It's like a handheld. And sorry, there's sand in the bathtub. And it's also a bath if you would like to have a bath. And then just like a basic sink and mirror and one of these magnifying mirrors. And it also came with slippers that you are allowed to take if you would like. And there's a hair dryer and some hand towels. And then coming out here, we got some art. We had a king size bed. I was just laying in the bed, so the bed's not made. Each side of the bed has little reading lights, which is nice. And they're just the normal European plugs here, so we had to bring our adapters. There isn't USB plugs or anything, so you gotta bring your adapter if you're not from here. And then, I thought this was a drawer. Oh yeah, this is a drawer. There's a drawer here. And then there's a big long desk and a TV. And a mini fridge. The fridge came with 3 of these waters that you got to have. And then safe. And there was stuff to make coffee and tea, which we used this. And we made some instant coffee, but there's also like a bunch of teas that you can make if you would like. We used the instant coffee. And then over here, there's like a little, I don't even really know what this is. It's like half a couch thing. I've laid on it a couple times and it's kind of nice. And there's a little table so you could like lay and have a coffee or something. And then another little table on my side with another light. This is a lamp. Big windows. This is probably the best part, is the windows. Big ol' windows with a gorgeous view. And there's like lights up there that turn off with all the lights, and then nice big blackout curtains. It got really dark in here at nighttime. It was really nice. Yeah, so that's the whole room. Yeah, so that is the whole room tour. There was Wi-Fi in the room, as well as all the way down to the beach we had Wi-Fi. So we were sitting by the ocean and we still had Wi-Fi. So everywhere on the resort you have Wi-Fi. The breakfast is included and you can get food packages, but we didn't do it because it was really expensive. And we did eat dinner at the restaurant once and it was pretty expensive, especially the drinks. We went to like a supermarket down the street and it was only 60 cents for a Heineken beer, and to buy one here it was €6. So it was definitely really expensive to buy alcohol here. So we actually just went down to the supermarket and bought some there and then brought it back for our room and kept it in the fridge because it was a lot cheaper than going and drinking here. But they have lots of room service and different stuff like that, and a bar and a restaurant and all that. If you would prefer to just drink here, it's just really expensive. And there was a food package, but there wasn't any drink package. Let me know if you have any more questions about this resort in Marbella, Spain. I'm not 100% sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I think it's Marbella, but it's spelled like Marbella, but I'm pretty sure the way that you're supposed to pronounce it is Marbella. But if I'm pronouncing that wrong, let me know. I do not speak Spanish. I'm trying my best, but I do not speak Spanish, so feel free to tell me if I am saying that wrong. Okay, thank you for watching, bye.